What causes inconsistent running data between apps and devices? Imagine lacing up for a run and checking your watch or phone, only to see different distances or speeds from what your friend's device reports. It can be confusing, right? Well, many runners face this issue, and understanding why it happens can help you get more reliable data. When you use different apps and devices to track your runs, several factors can cause those numbers to not match perfectly. One big reason is GPS accuracy. Devices use satellite signals to figure out where you are, but not all GPS chips are the same. Some have better receivers and can pick up signals more quickly and accurately. If your device has a slower sampling rate or poor satellite connection, it might miss short bursts of speed or small route deviations. That can make your pace or distance look off, especially during quick sprints or interval training. Another factor is sensor differences and where you wear your device. Some devices use accelerometers or gyroscopes to measure movement, but their placement matters. For example, wrist-based heart rate sensors can be less accurate when your arms swing a lot during a sprint. Chest straps tend to give more consistent heart rate readings. Foot pods measure cadence and stride length differently than wrist devices, which can lead to variations in running dynamics data. Then there are the algorithms each app or device uses to process raw sensor data. These are proprietary, meaning each company develops its own way of filtering noise and calculating metrics. One app might smooth out data more than another, or average pace over longer periods. That's why during the same run, you might see different speed or calorie burn numbers. Syncing data across multiple devices or apps can also cause inconsistencies. If your device loses connection mid-run, or if there are delays in uploading data, some information might be missing or duplicated. Different syncing methods like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi can have their own issues, leading to mismatched records. Environmental factors play a role too. Running in areas with tall buildings, dense trees, or poor satellite visibility can cause GPS signals to jump around or drop out. Weather conditions and electromagnetic interference can also affect sensor performance. For sprinters on a track, GPS might struggle to capture short distances accurately compared to open-road marathon runs. User settings are another piece of the puzzle. Inputting your height, weight, or stride length incorrectly can skew calculations for calorie burn or distance. Devices that need manual calibration, like foot pods, requiring regular updates to stay accurate. If you forget to update these settings, data can become inconsistent. Also, differences in units like miles versus kilometers or time zone settings can create apparent discrepancies when comparing data across apps. To get the most consistent data, stick to one device and app during your training cycle. Regularly calibrate sensors and update firmware. Combining GPS with other sensors like foot pods or accelerometers can improve accuracy, especially for cadence and stride length. Keep environmental conditions in mind when analyzing short-distance sprints or interval sessions. Always verify that data has synced properly and check for missing or duplicated entries. Being aware of these factors helps you interpret your running data more accurately and avoid unnecessary confusion.